Hi guys, I'm back. How are you all doing? Okay. I know that I have been MIA for a while, and I apologize for that. But I promise that I will try continuing videos like next month or next year, maybe. Because, you know, with that being said, you guys know that I am not much of a tech reviewer. I just like things. I just like using things. But the technicalities of everything that I use, not so much. So, what are we gonna do today? Review stuff. This is the AOC G2590PX 25 inches, and I think this is the best budget monitor for each and every one of you. Again, for the first time viewers on my channel, I'm not much of a tech reviewer, like I said, so I'm pretty sure the reviews of this, my reviews of this are pretty much basic. But with that being said, I still need to review this. So let's open this. Okay, there we go. As you can see, this is the full scale of the monitor. By the way, I'm using a 24.5 inch monitor, and as you can see with the movements of the monitor, I can have it swivel to the left, to the right. I can have it facing down or facing up, depends on your preference, and I can adjust the height with just a simple push down and push up. All the flexibility you need. Also, inside the box as well is a power cable, a DisplayPort cable, an HDMI cable, a VGA cable, a monitor base, a monitor stand, a watch, a vape, Captain America shield, PS controllers, me, and a bunch of my underwear. Wait, hold on. I unboxed too much. Let's move on now to specs. The AOC monitor has like 25 inches of screen size, 1920 by 1080 full HD with an aspect ratio of 16 by 9. Also, for all you hardcore players and aspiring esports players, this monitor has a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a response rate of 1 ms. Very compatible for your style of playing. And speaking of compatible, this monitor has G-Sync compatibility if ever you guys have GeForce video cards. So that's a big plus. It also has a built-in speaker of 2x2 watts. Also, with regards to weight, this weighs about like 26 pounds. So it's pretty easy to carry around. And now let's move on to the connectivity at the back. This panel includes two HDMI 1.4 slots, one DisplayPort 1.2, and a VGA port for older machines. Oh, and there's also 4 USB 3 slots. So for the colors of this monitor, I actually don't think I have enough knowledge to give you the technical review of the colors of this. But I can assure you that the colors of this are perfect for gaming and editing. Okay, I think that's it for the quick review of this beauty of a budget monitor by AOC, because I think that's like the extent of my knowledge on how to review things. But also, I want to say to you to join the GeForce Cup. What is the GeForce Cup? The GeForce Cup is the pinnacle of NVIDIA esports competitions with maximum FPS, unique strategies, immersive POVs, and custom challenges. Thousands of gamers from 10 nations will be battling for supremacy, where the best players will walk away with a $20,000 prize pool. So far, we've finished with the 3 qualifiers, and the finals will be on December or January. Also, like I said before, the prize pool for this is $20,000 plus $4,602 US worth of items. So if you guys think that you got what it takes to be the next GeForce Cup champions, then why not sign up now? Thank you guys, and that's it for this video. And as I always say, don't age, level up. And what do we say to this monitor? AOC #1. Bye guys.